Now coming to question number 3. This question number 3 says that ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF they are drawn to the equal sides AC and AB respectively. This BE is an altitude to AC and this CF is an altitude to AB. We have to show that these two altitudes are equal. So this side is given equal to this side. AB is equal to AC. So first of all we will write what is given. The given is AB is equal to AC. Okay. And as these are altitudes and we know altitudes are the lines which are drawn from a vertex to the opposite side making an angle of 90 degree. So these angles are of 90 degree. That is BE is perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB. This is given. What you have to show or to prove that these altitudes are equal. That is BE is equal to CF. Now we will prove this. So what is our proof? We will consider these two triangles ABE and ACF. In triangle ABE and triangle ACF. Okay. AB is equal to AC, it is given. AB is equal to AC. This is given because ABC is an isosceles triangle. It is given. Okay. Then this triangle this angle AEB is equal to angle AFC. Angle AEB is equal to angle AFC. Each 90 degree because they are perpendicular drawn. तो ये जो दोनों एंगल्स है वो 90 डिग्री के इक्वल हो गए और तीसरी चीज जो है वही एंगल है. ठीक है. ये जो एंगल है A वो दोनों में ही है. एंगल A is equal to angle A. You can write full name also. Angle BAE is equal to angle CAF. You can write it as angle BAE is equal to angle CAF. दोनों में आ रहा है. This is common. This angle is common. That means the two triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. और जब ये दो ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गए तो इसके जितने भी पार्ट से कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग वो सब इक्वल होंगे. बट पहले आप ये बताइए पहले हम बताएंगे कि कौन सी कॉन्ग्रुएंसी रूल को फॉलो करना है. तो दिस इज एंगल साइड. ओके. दिस एंगल and this side. तो congruency is AAS congruency rule. अब ये दोनों triangles congruent हैं तो this implies BE is equal to CF and these are the altitudes of the triangle. Hence proved. Now coming to question number 4. ABCs is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF to the sides AC and AB are equal. तो ये जो triangle हमें given है ABC, ठीक है, ये triangle जिसके altitudes जो BE on the side AC and CF on the sides AB हैं, ये दोनों equal हैं. They are saying these altitudes are equal. We have to show that these two triangles are congruent and this AB is equal to AC. So what is given to us? BE is equal to CF and BE is perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB. Altitude means they are the perpendiculars. What we have to prove? Number 1, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF And second thing we have to prove is AB is equal to AC. That is, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now prove. First of all, as we have to prove these two triangles congruent, so we will consider these two triangles ABE and ACF. So we will write in triangle ABE and triangle ACF. Okay. Now what is given to us? BE is equal to CF. It is given. Then angle BAE is equal to angle CAF. This angle A is common to both triangles and angle BEA. जब ये 90 डिग्री ये भी 90 डिग्री होगा तो angle BEA is equal to angle CFA. BEA is equal to CFA. Why? Because they both are of 90 degree. So therefore, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. दोनों triangles जब congruent prove हो गए by AAS, angle side congruency rule. Okay, when these two triangles are proved to be congruent, that means each element of these two, means corresponding element, they are also equal. So this implies AB is equal to AC. That is, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Hence, proved. Now students, coming to question number 5. ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on same base BC. We have to show that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. In the figure you can see this ABC is a triangle and this BDC is also a triangle. They both are isosceles triangle. In ABC, AB is equal to AC, and in BDC, BD is equal to CD. We have to prove that this angle ABD is equal to this angle ACD. Now what is given in triangle ABC? AB is equal to AC is given, and in triangle DBC, BD is equal to CD is given. What we have to prove? Angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Now prove. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC is given. Okay. This AB is equal to AC means angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Let it be 1. Now in triangle DBC, BD is equal to CD is given. This BD and CD are equal. This is also given. That means this angle DBC is equal to angle ACB. Therefore, angle DBC is equal to angle DCB. Let it be 2. Now on adding 1 and 2, what we will get? Angle ABC plus angle DBC is equal to angle ACB plus angle DCB. और अगर आप देखें तो एंगल ABC plus angle DBC is angle ABD. Okay, and this angle ACB plus angle DCB is equal to angle ACD. ये तो हमें प्रूव करना है, एंगल ABD is equal to ACD. Hence